Everybody here, just around here. So, I'm not sure. I had a coworker at work who he was telling me about vaping, and I'd never tried vaping before. I do enjoy a cigar every once in a while, or even something like that. But cigarettes, not so much. But he had this vape thing. He showed me. His friend just opened up a shop around the corner. I can put a link in this for the shop below. Anyway, the family's really nice. They seem really nice people. So I ended up buying a vape pen, and I don't really plan on using this thing that much. Henceforth, look at the wrapping. I didn't even get a box or anything. I told the guy, just give me something that, I want to support your business, but I'm not looking to spend any real money, and I'm not even sure how much I'm really going to use it. So for the price that he gave me an E-Block pen, and this is, if you can see this here, this is in vaping liquid. I picked strawberry, kiwi, and just whatever flavor they had. Like I say, I'm not really super excited about using vape and stuff like that. But I figured I'd just purchase some and just help the person out. So this is like 15 bucks, and it's 3 milligrams of nicotine, which is probably like the lowest you can get, minus 0. And also he gave me a charging unit as well to go with. So it was kind of like a makeshift deal. He put this together while I was in the store. Like I said, I was just going and trying to support him. So I think originally this charging pen was like 6 bucks he wanted, which I saw online there for 3. The pen itself, the battery, I think he charged me 15 bucks for it. And then he gave me a discount at the end. So 15 bucks for the battery, which is this piece here. This is the battery. And it unscrews, and then what you want to do if you want to charge it, screw it into your charging unit. And once you get a connection, you can stop turning it. Don't overturn it. Don't make sure it's tight. Once it makes a connection, it'll charge up, and I'll show you a quick video of that as well. So this is what you call a battery piece here. It holds it's just what it is, the battery, and this piece here is where your tank is at. Comes with a mouth protector piece here. Good material there at least. And then this part here screws off on the bottom. So if you look at it closely here, he said it didn't have a coil in it. And some of the coil ones, the coils are a couple of bucks. But this one here is pretty simple. If you can see it in the light. But it holds about 1.6 milliliters of liquid. So for someone who vapes a little like as much as I'll do, this is probably be a week or two supply. So basically what you do is you take the cap off here, off the bottom, you take your liquid. I'll break the seal on that, I guess, because I haven't broken it yet. If I can get this off. It's got, must have child lock on this. Oh, it's a twist. Oh, it's a twist like medicine. Okay. Maybe he sold me a gag when. There it is. All right, so you twist it off. Simple as that. Take this, and what you want to do is, in this piece here, the top piece here comes off like this. Let me put this down. Pops right off. The top piece does, and here you go. You have your here, and then down there is where you're going to put your liquid at. Your liquid's going to go inside this hole. Make sure you don't put it in the hole. Put it around the outside of it. If you can see here, don't go right in the middle because it will go right into where you're going to be. The vape's going to come through. So take it off. Place it around the side. You'll see a unit in the middle. Go around the side, fill it up, and then you're ready to go. And then what you want to do is, once you put your liquid in, I didn't put any liquid in because I'm not even sure if I'm going to use it, but definitely don't know if the liquid goes bad. If it does, let me know. And hit the button 5 times. And then when your green light comes up, that means you're ready to vape. So what you do is, as you start to inhale, you want to hit the button, and there you go. And there's your unit there. Everything's good to go. So like I say, I don't know if this is a good deal or not. I picked all this up for about 30 bucks, 25 bucks. He gave me a battery for 15, the top for 6, and he took off 5, so 11 bucks for this unit here. And then 15 for the juice, which is probably like a lifetime supply for me. So there you go. Just wanted to give a quick review of that. Let's put the top back on that before we mess it up even more. I think I walked out the store with like 25 bucks I spent. Help the family out. And if I like it, I can keep vaping. If I don't, it's only a $25 investment. And it's not going to break the bank. Cool. Thanks everybody for watching. It's just Ron. Take care. Be safe.